removed the supply line going up to it. I was able to get a full turn. And this one was a little different. I was able to hold the wrench in place and actually just use the screw and turn the screwdriver to get it off. This one I had to do it the opposite way. So I got that right there finally. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna have to get there's a kit at the hardware store they sell. It's got seals. They're rubber seals. They go here, a big donut seal here, and another small seal there. And I'll be able to reattach this. So that's not that big of a deal. But right here, dude, this is a huge bonus to be able to get your paintbrushes back here. All the extra room to work, you don't gotta worry about, trying to go behind. There's only this much room behind that tank and this pipe and this wall. So now we got all this extra room. And that'll look nice. So now it's gonna get this bad boy removed. These are the water supply lines. Use the 5/8 wrench to loosen them up. Here's the other one. That's old-fashioned pipe, huh? You got copper coming out of the ground. You don't see that very often. For drainage, you know what I'm saying? And that bolt right there. Get that spun off. Should be able to back this cabinet out. Found somebody's old contact. This is a hard contact. So whoever's contact this is, that's what they wore. Hard contacts. I wear soft contacts. I think I may have worn hard ones for like a week or two, just to try them out. And the doctor said I don't need to wear those. That's in there is kind of tight, even with that loosened up. I'll take the P-trap off right here. That should give us a little bit of play. I should get a bucket. There's gonna be some a bit of water coming out. Okay. We're going to go ahead and replace this. There's a kit for this. We may or may not. We'll probably just go, yeah, we're going to replace this. We're going to go from the seal, the sink seal, all the way to this pipe. So this piece coming down, and then going back up. And this will all be brand new too. Be able to use that, fill up the sink instead of running the water, you know. It'll be more efficient when we're all done. That's the seal right there. And the top, I'll show you that when we put it back together. It's going to be a lot of fun. Okay. I'm about to go ahead and cut those. I pull on this. I don't want to damage, you know, the wire line. So those have to be cut, dude. Both of them. And that's going to be replaced. Alright, I got lucky. I didn't have to cut the supply lines. I lifted the countertop out of the cabinet. So all that right there stays in place. I spoke too soon. Setting it down, I just bent it. So I'll have to replace it, but at least half of it's out. The only thing holding this in is that right there. I gotta cut the back half out so I can just slide this out, slide it back in. I don't want to replace this. I mean, I do, but I'm not ready to, so what I have to do is make do with what I got. So what that means is I got to save this cabinet. I can't damage it. It has to go back together with some new parts. But for the most part, we're using the existing vanity. So right there should be too bad. Cut right there on that side, and then on the other side. It already broke away from over here. Alright, so let's go ahead and do that.